Hello, this is Mrs. Geo, and today I am going to show you how to get that pesky little, I don't know what the heck that's called, stem out of your iceberg lettuce. You could sit here, you could cut it out, you could peel off all the layers of your lettuce, you could do all kinds of things, but let me just tell you something. This is the best, fastest way to get it out. And I bet you've never heard of it before. Well, maybe you have, but it's totally awesome. Ready? You got your iceberg lettuce? There you go. Look at that. Perfect. Didn't waste any of my lettuce. I took out the core perfectly. Now we have a whole entire iceberg lettuce head, and it's totally easy to use. See you next time. Bye-bye.